So let's take a look at Kotlin's while loop. So first thing, make sure that you have Kotlin installed. Also, you have to create one Kotlin file format file. In my case, I have created one hello.kt and saved it. Okay, so let's just navigate to that file. Okay, so okay, now that I have done this, let's start with the code. Here, first thing, we are going to make use of main functions. So we are going to use keyword fun, then main, and here I'm going to use arguments, array, string, and inside this method, I'm going to create one variable. Okay, so variable something like, let's say, x integer, and set its value to 0. Now we can have our loop with keyword while, and here I want to increment the value of x till it reaches 10. So I have this condition. Now I can print the value to see if it gets printed from 0 to 10. And I'm also going to increment with each iteration with x plus plus. That's all there is to this simple program. Now let's open command prompt. Okay, now here I'm gonna use Kotlin C, then hello.kt, then dash include dash runtime, then dash t, then hello.jar. Okay, now it says that value cannot be reassigned x plus plus. Okay, so we are going to change that, and with that we just have to use var keyword instead of val and let it increment. Okay, so let's find out if that works out. Okay, now when you use val keyword for a variable, it will only take the assigned value, and if you want to change that as we operate, then you can use var keyword instead. Okay, and then rest of the program compiles just fine. Okay, now what we have to do here is use java dash char and then use hello.jar. Okay, now hit enter, and you can see the value incrementing from 0 to 10. Okay, so this was a simple example for while loop in